Hello friends, in this video I am going to write a program in Python to find all the prime numbers within a given range of number. So for example, if the lower range is 3 and upper range is 9, then the output is 3, 5 and 7. So now let's begin the program. So first of all, you have to take two numbers that are the two values. One is a lower value and second is a upper value. So these values are integers. So I write here int input, enter the lowest range and upper range of the number, because we have to find out the prime number within a given range. Now to get the prime numbers within a range, I here write a one for loop for number in range lower value comma upper value plus 1, because the upper value is not included if I write upper value. So I have to write upper value plus 1. Now I have to check that number must be greater than 1, because 0 and 1 is not considered as a prime number. So I have to start the loop from the 2. So I check the number is greater than 1. If the number is greater than 1, so I have to run a loop for I in range 2 comma number. So here I have to find out, I have to divide the number from I and find out the remainder value. If remainder value equal to 0, it means that number is totally divided and I have to break the program. Now if the number modulus 2 modulus I is not equals to 0, it means that number is a prime number. So I have to print that particular number as a prime number. Now if I run this code and I enter the, for example, the lower range is 3 and the upper range is 9, you can see I get the prime numbers that are 3, 5 and 7. Thank you.